guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am giving you guys another talk through review because y'all really like these type of videos. Oh, my contacts. I literally got eye boogers in my contacts and gross, but it's late. Like, it's literally 3:47 a.m. and I'm sitting here making videos for y'all. So you know, the things you do for YouTube. But anyways, don't forget to like, comment below if you have any questions, and of course subscribe to my channel. Before I get into this review, I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing, and thank you for supporting and showing love. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I wrote down a few things on my notes of this hair because I want to give y'all the tea. So let's start off with, what company is this hair from? It's from a company called CurlyMe, and I'm gonna put their website in the description box below. If I'm talking low, it's because it's so I'm talking low, it's because it's so late over here, and you know, I'm filming really late. I don't know why I be up this late, but I don't know, sometimes my creative juices just start flowing around this time. But yeah, CurlyMe, and they sell curly hair and straight hair, so you know, you can find a variety of different textures and lengths and bundles and all that over there. So this is their kinky curly hair, and the length is 4 26-inch bundles and 113x6 frontal. The length stops right here, and I am 5'4", so it stops like a little bit above my breast. And the price of this hair is $248 for 3 bundles and 1 frontal. I think you can get 4 bundles, but the link that you're gonna it's gonna take you to is the 3 bundle deal with the 1 frontal, which you only need 3 bundles. I honestly use too many bundles because the hair is a little bit too big sometimes for my head. But yeah, you only need 3 bundles and the frontal. I made the wig, I plucked the wig, and I had to bleach the knots as well. So how long have I been wearing this hair? I've been wearing it for a good month and a half. So let me kind of get close so y'all can see the frontal. This is how it looks. And this lace is not an HD lace. This is just their regular Swiss lace. This is how far the parting goes back. It goes further back than this, actually. It goes all the way back. So, and if I wanted to part it in the middle here, the middle would go far back. Like, it'll go far back. So, you know, kind of messed up my hair a little bit by doing that. But, you know, I gotta show y'all what this hair is working with, because y'all gonna be spending y'all hard-earned money to buy this hair, and you want to make sure you can part it as far back as you want to, and you want to make sure that you can style it in different ways. We definitely love hair that has a lot of parting space. So, you know, I'm here for it. I'm here for long parting spaces. Also, another thing, we all know I personally hate stiff hair. We gonna play the clip.
What? For real, stiff what? Oh,
Stiff wear. Stiff wear, honey. Nah, I don't like hair that's like stiff, and this hair is not stiff. We don't like stiff hair, and I like that it's not stiff, so it's definitely not gonna be stiff. So far this hair has held up pretty good. It has a lot of pros. The shedding isn't excessive, especially being that it's kinky curly hair. I actually have a brush, and I just pulled out the hair on the brush. I use this brush to you know, brush through the hair in the shower and everything, and this was the amount of hair that came out. So this little bit of hair came out of this kinky curly hair. So, you know, honestly, for curly hair, that's really not that much shedding. And it's been a month and the frontal isn't shedding excessively. So with kinky curly hair, sometimes they be finessing it. Like, oh, this is kinky curly hair, then you get the hair and it's not. This is really, truly authentic kinky curly hair, as you can see. And it doesn't have tangling. You see underneath right here, there's no frizzing or tangling right there. And no frizzing or tangling right here either. So I'm really impressed by that. No frizzing, no tangling. I would say like the only con that I hate is that when the hair dries out, it gets big. Like it gets bigger. I had to spritz a little bit of water so like it wouldn't be that big. I hate when curly hair do that sometimes because it's like it'd be just too big. But I think it's because I used 4 bundles and it just gets really big. So if I would have used 3 and it dries out, it wouldn't be that big. So it's not frizzy, but it does get big when it dries out. So like that's pretty much the only thing I would say about this hair. If you do have any questions about this hair, definitely comment below. If you want to check out their website and purchase this exact same hair, I'll put it in the description box below. There's going to be a link you can click to get to this exact same hair. And you know, for me, if I was to grade this hair in terms of kinky curly hair, because I've tried kinky curly hair before. I've tried some good kinky curly hair and I've tried some bad kinky curly hair. I would say this goes in the category of good kinky curly for me anyway. You know, I mean, this is just authentic kinky curly hair. Like you just embrace your blackness with this. Like I love that. Like seriously, you know what I'm saying? Look at this. This hair is cute. It's good. Like it's good hair. It's good hair and it's cheap as hell. Y'all, if you don't get anything out of this video and you want to try kinky curly hair, but you don't want to spend too much and you want it to be long, full, $248 is the best deal ever. That's a really good deal. You know, that's a really good deal, y'all. You know, it's giving me Diana Ross. It's giving me, and I love the frontal. Look at this. This isn't HD. This is not, yeah, my eyes are looking kind of red. This is not HD lace. This is not transparent. This is just regular Swiss lace. Regular. This is on some regular stuff. You know what I'm saying? So it looks really natural. I low-key want to wear it up. I want to wear it up. Yeah, imagine you put this up. I low-key want to wear it up. Maybe it's the tiredness in me talking. Should I put it up, y'all? You see that? It looks good when you put it up. It looks natural. So, but anyways. Whew. Anyways. That's all I really have to say about this hair. So if you want to get it, purchase below. And if you don't want it, then that's your loss. But anyways, thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel, like this video, and I'll see you next time. Oh yeah, stay beautiful.